to show you how to play the old gospel hymn, Shall We Gather at the River. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com and I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody. We're in the key of D, so we have an F sharp, and the melody starts on an F sharp. F sharp, E, F sharp, G, A, F sharp, G, A, G, F sharp, E, A, F sharp, E, F sharp, G, A, F sharp, G, E, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, D. And then the chorus is B, B, D, C sharp, D, B, A, F sharp, G, F sharp, G, F sharp, G, F sharp, G, E, F sharp, A, B, A sharp, B, C sharp, D, C sharp, D, B, A, F sharp, G, E, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, D. In the key of D you have two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. Two sharps, F sharp and C sharp, so that's consistent all the way through. There's a little accidental thrown in there with an A sharp in there. Now let's go through the introduction. All I'm going to do for the introduction is play that last phrase, and I'm going to put a 5/7 chord on there. So we go with A, E, D, F sharp, and then an A7. Now for the A7 we're going to have A, G, C sharp. Now your A7 chord is A, C sharp, E, G. So the other thing I'm not playing the E right there. I've got the A, the G, and the C sharp. And the only thing I'm leaving out is that E. But you don't have to have to make the sound, because we got the E up here. I'll put that in the melody, so we can. See, I've got that in the right hand, so I don't have it in the left hand. So I've got A, E, D, F sharp, and then the A7 chord, C sharp, G, A. So there's the intro. And that'll set up anybody that's going to sing perfectly to come in with. Now we're going to start off with a bass left-hand chord. Will be D, A, arpeggiate D, A, D. Then we go A, E, A, C sharp, E, back to the D, A, D, A, D. C sharp and E, D, A, and we'll roll it there before the chorus. So here we go with the verse together. Now see there, you've got the E, A7, because the G is in the melody. Back to the D. Now what I'm going to do is play that melody and then fill with the right hand and roll this chord, F sharp, A, D, then go right back up to the melody. Now there we're going to go to a G chord. So we have the G and the D in the bass, and the B is right here. Here's your G chord, G, B, D, 1, 3, 5 on G. So we're going to the chorus, we go, and then back to the D. Now to the A. And once again, once you got that G in that melody, you're into an A7. And we're back to the G now. Back to the D. And you're through with the verse. Now if you want to, you can just go right back to another verse. And you go right back to. And when you get to the last chorus, you can play a G chord. So you can play that last chorus. Just hit a G chord on your way down to the F sharp A D and roll that F sharp A D. There you have it. Shall we gather at the river? I hope you enjoy playing it and singing it.